Hey guys, I have been doing a video I've been wanting to make, but the Cars Show Season 3 will come out this August. And some of the episodes will be filmed here. And yeah, hopefully so. This will be done by now. But Season 3 will be my biggest season yet. And actually, the Cars Show Season 3 continues after the events of Cars, 2 episodes, and it was before the events of Cars, 2 episodes, during the events of Cars 2, most of the episodes, and after the events of Cars 3, some of the episodes. Well, we're gonna start with Team Red soon. See you then.